What are some typical applications for ReadySpan bridges? ReadySpan bridges can be used for state and county park trails, National Park Service trails, U.S. Forest Service trails, greenways and other underdeveloped areas that have trail networks, municipalities and inner city parks, homeowners associations, golf courses, industrial applications within tank farms, water and sewage treatment facilities, and dam water control access. These industrial applications can require all types of bridges or crossing structures needed for maintenance and operations. ReadySpan bridges replace many dilapidated, rotten, and corroding wood or steel bridges that are no longer viable for service. We can supply pedestrian, bicycle, equestrian, and light vehicle bridges, typically up to 10,000 pounds for what is known as H5 vehicle loading. We work with our clients to understand the type of traffic our clients will have on their bridges and then design the bridge to meet those loading conditions. ReadySpan bridges can solve any type of crossing solution for a customer. If you need to get from point A to point B, then you can use a ReadySpan bridge to get you there. For more information, please visit ReadySpan.com.